इसको वैसे कैलकुलेट करो तो
IB. So how many of you calculated IB? Nobody is typing. Why? Are you getting that I am wasting my time here?
baby IC value ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ baby?
So if you want the formula, you can ask. I'll display the formula again. No response from all the three sections. Okay, A section people are typing something, but you are not sending it. So did you understood what I'm asking, or is it looking like some French or German? Are you getting what I'm asking to do? You have to respond, otherwise I'll put absent for each and every one of you. Yes, sir. Very good. Yeah, here Pranav is telling that VBE is not given. Is that point, and I forgot to tell you that VBE that is fixed for the transistor, and the transistor what we are talking. So we always use silicon transistor. Okay, exactly, sir. So 0.7 is the fixed value. They will not give that VBE value. Okay, so what you need to do? Yes, no need to. We are not using germanium for our this thing. So let's just forget. So 0.7 is what you have to substitute in VBE. In some problems they will give, and in some problems they won't give. Okay, so when they have not given, you have to. This is fixed, and you have to assume that you have to substitute 0.7, and you have to calculate the value of I. Okay. Okay. Yes. So people have given the answers. So you can cross check your answer. IB value is equal to 36.8 microamps. Okay. 36.8. Yes, Chaitra B from A section or B section, I don't know. So she has also given the correct answer. Good. For now it's third. Oh, in Mili you have given, huh? Mili oh, IC correct. 3.68 milliamp IC, yeah, correct. So what you are going to do? This is the IB value, 36.8 microamp. Okay, so to get IC, what you are going to do? You are going to multiply it with 100. So once you multiply it with 100, you know just the point will shift, and this is what you are going to get, 3.68 millivolts. And when you substitute it for VCE, so VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC. So VCC they have given here in the problem, it's 18 volt. Okay, IC value is 3.68 milliamps. Just now we have calculated. RC value is 2.2K. They have given. Okay, so what is the value of VCE? VCE value is 9.9 volts. Okay, so this is the answer for this problem. Any doubts for anyone before we move on to the next one? It was a very simple problem. Any doubts? Or anyone is like, you have not understood, you want me to repeat anything? If at all, if anything like, if anything is there like that, you can just let me know. I'm ready to repeat it again. Okay, so many people have are typing the answers. Yes, good. Okay, so let's move on to the second question. Just take a pic or take a screenshot of this one. So very similar to the first problem. So this is the homework for you for today. Okay, so what is the question? So calculate the minimum and maximum values of IC and VCE for a base bias circuit given below, when HFE min is equal to 50 and HFE max is equal to 200. So those who have not understood also, you people can once again, people, yeah, Now whatever I'm displaying it, you take the pick of this way. Okay. You could do a formula. Okay, so just substituting those values to that formula and solving, that's it. Okay, so here in the second question, what they have asked, so they have given two values of the gain value. Okay, so as I told you, HFE is nothing but it's a hybrid parameter for forward current gain. Okay, so two values of beta they have given. HFE they have given. Once you have to calculate for 50 the IC and VCE value. Then for the second time you have to calculate the IC and VCE value by substituting beta as 200. Okay. The same thing remains, all the formula remains same. IV value also remains same as a previous problem. Only IC value changes because once you have to substitute, for case 1 you will substitute beta is equal to 200 and case 2 you will substitute beta is equal to 50. That's it. Okay. So you can cross verify it once you are done with the problem. Okay, so any doubts, so people can ask us in the next class regarding that problem. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, that is collector to base bias configuration. Okay, so the second configuration is collector to base bias configuration. Here, this is called as feedback bias configuration. Okay, this collector to base bias is also called as feedback bias configuration. On screen, you're seeing the diagram of this one. So if you observe, you will understand the difference between the feedback circuit, whatever we discussed now. I'm just trying to show both the things together. Okay, so you can see here the collector to base bias configuration. So here what we have done, so there the same VCC was given to IBRB as well as for ICRC, correct? Okay, but here what we have done, so we have given VCC only to this ICRC. Okay, so that is the difference. So if you understand this difference, then you will not get confused and you won't lose your marks in the examination. Okay. Here VCC is given only to RC here in this collector to base bias. Then how have we collected the base RB here? Instead of connecting it to VCC like in fixed bias, we have connected this RB to the collector terminal. That is the difference in the diagram. Okay. Except that what you're going to do, so here this VCC, this portion, it will remain as it is. Instead of connecting this one to VCC, you're going to connect this to here, to the collector terminal. That is the only difference between those two diagrams. Okay. If you remember that much, no need to prepare any copy check. So no need to write it in your sheets, get the imprints of that in your sheets. No need to write these circuits in your hand. Don't need to do all those bakwas business or write it in your tops for girls. So no need to do all those business. Okay. So only these are the two differences between these two diagrams. Okay. Depending on this. So because we have connected this resistor to this collector, it introduces a negative feedback. Okay, so by your previous semester knowledge, if you are understanding it, well and good. If not, also no need to worry. Again, we are coming back to that one. Okay, so because of this negative feedback, the stability provided by this collector to base bias is circuit is more when compared to fixed bias. Okay, so now as we are done with the diagram of this twin connector to base bias, and you can see here coming to here, this is called as RC, and the current that is flowing through RC, we are naming it as IV plus SC, because at this junction, so here the current is getting splitted the whatever the current that flows towards the base terminal, we are calling it as IB, and whatever that flows towards the collector terminals, we are naming it as IC. So that's why the current across this RC, we are naming it as IB plus current through RC, we are naming it as IB plus IC. Okay, so this is all about the diagram. So next, coming to the derivation. So what is our aim? Our aim is to calculate IC VC. To calculate IC, what do we need? We need IB. Okay, so to calculate IB, what we are going to do? KVL to the input. To get VCE, what we need? Apply KVL to the collector emitter. Okay, so now to get the VCE, see here first what we are doing to get to this equation 1, we have applied KVL to VCE, IB, RB and VBE. Okay, so what is this VCE, IB, RB and VBE loop? So you can see here. So this loop is yeah. So this loop, it is starting from this VCE, IB, RB and VBE. So this loop is what we are talking. Okay. This is the loop. So it is VCE, IB, RB and VBE. Okay. So here when you apply KVL, so this is what you are going to get it. So because I'm starting with a minus plus, so VCE is equal to IBRB plus VBE is equal to 0. Okay, so here we are starting with this VCE. VCE is equal to IBRB plus VBE. Okay, so this we are naming it as equation 1. Okay, so next, again we are applying KVL to the second loop. Okay, so when you apply KVL to the second loop, for which loop we are applying? We are applying to the collector emitter. Okay. So collector emitter loop is this constitutes the collector emitter loop. Okay, so this straight loop. So VCC, ICRC, VCE. Okay, so how do you get? So here VCC and instead of V, here we are taking IR. Correct. So what is the value of I? Just now I told, because at this junction, I is splitting into IB as well as IC. So this we are naming it as IB plus IC. Okay, so that's why VCC minus IC plus IB into RC. Okay, am I clear? IC plus IB into RC minus VCE is equal to 0. Okay, so here what we need? Here also I'm taking the VCE, and this is the final value of VCE. VCE is equal to VCC. All the things I'm keeping it this side, and VCE I'm sending it to the other side. Okay, VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC into IC plus IB. Okay, so if you this I'm calling it as equation number 2. If you observe equation 1 and equation 2, so guys just remember why are we doing all these circles? Just to calculate the value of IB. Okay, so to derive IB, I'm doing all these things. So 2 equations with VCE I got. Okay, so here what I'm doing next, we are equating these 2 equations. Equating equations 1 and 2 will give you this one. Okay, so so because here in both the equations 1 and 2 we have VCE. So what we are doing, we are equating the RHS of these 2 equations. So I guess you people will understand this much, right? I hope you people are having no doubts here. So what am I doing? I have considered the RHS of both the equations 1 and 2 here. Okay, so this is the RHS of equation 2 and this is the RHS of equation 1. And this thing in the textbook they have skipped. And this is what we have elaborated in the notes. That's it. In case if you get confused, you can refer this one. So what we are doing, VCC minus VBE, we have taken this side, and equal to all the remaining things, I have sent it to the RHS. Okay, so this expansion RCIC plus RCIB IBRB as it is. Okay. So next what we have done here, instead of IC, we know this formula. IC is given by beta IB. Okay. So we have substituted the value of IC in this formula. So which will give beta IB. And here we are taking IB common in all these equations. So if you take IB common, you will be left out with this one. And here also you can take RC common inside the bracket, right? So when you take RC common, it will be beta plus 1 into RC plus RB. Okay, so now because I was calculating IB I will keep on one side. All the remaining things let me push. Okay, so and rearrange this one. So this numerator, this will go as a denominator of this VCC minus VBE, right? So IB you are going to keep it here. On the other side, you will get VCC minus VBE. In the denominator, you will have this one beta plus 1 into RC plus RB. Okay, so this derivation gives you the IB. So now this IB value, when you substitute in the IC, you will get the value of IC. Okay, so we were interested in calculating IC and VCE. Why we wanted this one? For the operating point. Why you need this operating point? So that the transistor works properly. So what is the work transistor is doing? Transistor is doing amplification work. So I hope you got to know the story, right? Any doubts here? Any doubts? Should we solve for VB? We solve for IC as well as VCE. So here what happens? See, you can see here there exists a relationship between VCE and IB, direct relationship. So what happens here? If at all, when does this operating point value change? IC or VCE? When it will change? Whenever the temperature changes, whenever you replace a transistor, okay, or due to the external interferences, something there could be n number of reasons, and the mainly considered reason are when you replace a transistor or when the temperature increases. Okay, so due to the internal heat produced, okay, there are chances of increase in the IC value. So when IC increases, automatically VCE increases. Here what happens, since this VCE is dependent on IB and you have a negative feedback here, okay, so this gives the negative feedback. You see the diagram here. So we have some portion of this IC is fed back as an input here, so which is called as negative feedback. Okay, so negative feedback reduces the gain. That's why here what happens, IB value reduces, which in turn reduces the value of IC. Whatever the IC increase due to the rise in the temperature, this negative feedback reduces that increase IC, reduces the effect of that increased IC. Okay, so that's how this operating system, operating point is maintained in its proper value, IC and VB. So what happens? Due to the increase in the temperature, IC increases. Since IC increases, VCE increases. So because of the negative feedback, whatever we are giving here, that VCE in turn is related with IB, and this IB reduces due to the negative feedback. Due to the reduction in IB, again IC reduces, and whatever that increase in we started with increase in IC, right? So we are ending with decrease in IC. Okay, so this increased value of this IC is nullified because of this negative feedback. Okay, so thereby stability is achieved in this collector to base bias circuit. So if any doubts, so we're just breaking for the attendance. Okay, so this you may consider it as a break and answer your attendance fast. Okay, so meanwhile, if you are having any doubts also, people can ask. We are ready to clear your doubts. Okay. So in this section, if you 90,000 and you 90,000. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋ ಟೈಮಿಗೆ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇದು ರೆಡಿ
ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ ನಿಮ್ಗಾದ್ರೂ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ
ಆಸ್ತಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ತಾ.
So guys, you can unmute your mic and you can tell, else you can type here. Okay,
you can drop your message. Or you can answer by saying yes, ma'am. Asta, Abdullah,
Navyashri,
Abhijit,
Navyashri.
Abhijit Kumar.
So guys, if you don't answer, then I will consider that you're not attentive and you will lose your attendance. Navya,
If you respond, then only you'll get attendance.
Nayana.
If you logged in and if you are not answering,
Okay.
then I won't
Nayana
consider it as a present. Abhijit Kumar,
Nilisha.
absent.
Okay. Niharika.
Abhishek,
Niket.
USN 4,
Okay, very good guys.
5.
Nikhil, respond fast like this. Okay. Nitish.
Otherwise, you can type your USN also.
Onkar.
Type your USN in the message box, chat box.
Okay. Onkar is not
USN
responding.
5.
Avinash P.
Absent. USN 6.
Okay. Okay. Onkar is also present. Avinash is also present. Sai
USN
Tarun.
7.
Sai Tarun.
7. Aditya Kumar Agarwal.
Okay, Sai Tarun is not there.
Okay.
Navtej.
USN 8.
Yeah, Navtej is present.
Aditya Pratap.
And Sudarshan. Pavan Kumar B.
Oh, now I am getting outcome.
Okay.
When I called you, people were not there.
Nishant. Nishant Achyut.
3 is present. 4 is present.
Nishant. Okay.
6 is
Then
present.
Kaushika.
7 present. 8 present.
Pradeep, yes. Prajakta.
Aditya Raj. 9. USN 9.
Rajwal. Rajwal is absent.
USN 9.
Prakriti.
Abdullah Yusuf. Yes,
Pranav.
pa. I make this present.
Okay.
See, when I call your name, you have
Pratana.
to drop your message. Later, if you answer,
Pratana
I'm not
P.
going to consider it
Both,
as a present from next
Both
class onwards.
Prarthanas
Today's
I have given.
excuse
Prashant.
from
Ma'am, I
next class
accept the
onwards.
message.
Praveen.
Yeah, I received. For
Pritam.
remaining, I am telling. Aditya Raj,
Pritam HK.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Pratik given.
9 is present. 10,
Preeti.
10,
Okay, Praveen given.
10
Pritam.
present. 11,
Preeti.
11 present. 12,
Preeti is there. Okay. Prince.
12, 12 present.
Okay.
13,
Ritvika.
amount.
Raghavendra. Raghavendra Singh.
13 is absent.
Are you there, Raghavendra Singh?
Guys, keep message ready. As soon as I call your USN, just enter it. 14 present. 15,
Raghavendra is
fast. 15 present. 16,
Okay.
16 present. 17, just last 2 or 3 digits enough. No need to type the full USN. 17 present.
So
18,
coming to the C section, Rahul.
18, 18 present. 19,
122 Rahul.
19,
Rajshekhar.
okay, 19 present. 20, fast, 20 present. 21,
Rajshekhar is absent. Rakesh.
Apurva, 21 present. 22,
Who is present?
22
Rakesh.
present.
Okay.
23 present. Yes.
Okay.
24
Rakshita.
present. 25,
Rakshita P. Rakshita
keep
V.
message ready.
Rangnath.
After I called USN, just enter it. 25
Okay.
present.
Ronak.
26, Bhargav
Hindu.
present. 27 present. 28,
Venugopal Reddy.
28 present. 29,
Okay. Rishabh.
30,
Guys, if you want to switch on
31.
your video, you people can switch on.
31,
We will also get to see your face, as we have not seen you. You can switch on your
31
videos.
present,
if you
32
want.
present.
Rishabh,
33,
I guess I missed
Chirag
Venugopal
present,
Reddy. No.
34
You only switched
present,
on your
35
camera, right?
present.
Rishabh.
yes,
Okay.
36,
Ritik. Okay. Ritik.
36,
Rohan BK.
yes, 36 present,
Gupta.
37,
Rohan Gupta.
37 present, 38 present, yes, 39,
Yeah, you have also
Yes,
not seen
39.
me. Fine.
40,
We don't have cameras inbuilt in our college systems.
40,
Rohit Patil. Okay.
ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದಾಗಲ್ಲ
Rohit.
40,
Puttapanavar.
ಸಾಯಿ ವಸಂತ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ I'll mark it as absent.
Rohit.
41.
Rohit
Shreya
FT is
Shah,
absent,
41
right?
present.
Okay. So Tarun Ram,
41.
Sai
Who is putting
Nagesh,
proxy for 41? Shreya Shah.
Samanvita.
Shreya Shah, 41.
Samanvita is there?
Okay. 42
Samanvita is absent,
present.
right?
43
Okay.
present. 44.
Samarth?
44 present. 45.
Okay. Sandeep?
46 present. 47
Sandeep is
present.
absent.
48.
Sangana Gowda Patil?
48.
Saraswat?
Subir, I think he's
Sarthak?
absent.
Sarvesh?
49. 50. Okay.
Sahil
51.
Ahmad?
51. 51. Okay.
Sheikh
52.
Sahil? Okay.
52.
Shashank?
Mark absent. 52. 53.
Shivam?
54.
Shivani?
Okay. 55
Shreyam?
present. 56 present. 57.
Shrey? Where is Shrey? Okay.
Sham present. Shita.
Then
58.
Shreyansh?
Okay. 59.
Okay, Shreyansh present. Shreya?
59 present. 50.
Sindhu?
Sorry. 60. Jaya. 60.
Okay. Sonal?
60 absent.
Saurav Nagesh?
61.
Srijana?
Steven present. Oza
Srinidhi?
62. Okay. 62 present. 60 present. Okay. We'll change.
Yes. What is this? Shrut. Or have I
63.
Huh? Okay, Sufrit. Yeah,
63.
Sufrit. Suraj.
63. Anish. I think he's absent.
Sushmita H.
64 present. 65 present.
Swati KN.
66 present. 67
Tejas.
present. 68 present. 69.
Shah.
69. 69.
Tejasvi.
Kushi.
Tarun.
I think absent. 70.
Tarun. Diksha.
70.
Usha.
70.
Vaishnavi.
I think 70 absent.
Yan.
71. Kritik.
Vansh.
71
Varshita.
absent. 72.
Vibhar.
Lata Shekhar. 72 present.
Vibha.
73
Vishal.
present. 74 fast. 74 present.
Vishnu
75
Okay. Vishwas H.
76
Ravi.
77 present. 78 present. 79
Yash. Yashaswini.
Manjesh Gowda. 77
Yuktī.
sorry 79
Okay, please present.
80
170 given
80
madam.
present.
Vivek Sharma.
81 81 present.
Vivek.
82
Your name was not there, no?
82
There is
present. 83
so you are the one who texted ma'am, right?
83 present.
Okay, so
84
now did you inform all the faculties and is
84.
your name is there in all the subjects?
present. 85
Yeah.
85
So Tikshna,
86
Tikshna,
86 present. 87 present.
Okay.
88 88 89
hello guys, am I not audible?
89 89
120.
89
Yeah, let me
absent.
check.
18 in the
90 illa, 90
19 okay. Did I left anyone?
yes sir, go given.
Did I left anyone?
Given sir.
If I left anyone, please
Sir. Yes, sir. No.
Abhishek
Again, I cannot
Mishra
read it.
005. I am marked present.
120 Raghavendra.
No,
Proxy
apart from this,
given.
ma'am, 60 present. Where were you? 60?
ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂತ
60, yes.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಮಾತ್ರ
60
ಕೂತಿಲ್ಲ
present.
170
3, Abhijit, yes, 3 present. Yes, I marked. No, apart from these, apart from regular students,
134
if any detained students are added, please let us know.
except 136 listen 130
Yes, 7
I'm
present.
telling the absentees. Okay, 136 139 141 okay idre hedi 167 174 178 174 idya ha 174 given
Okay, I'll
Already
call the
given.
USN of absentees. If they are present, answer 001 absent, 13 absent, 13 absent, 40, 48, 52, then
Given,
63,
right? Given, madam.
69, 70, 71, 79, 89. These are the absentees.
Okay, guys. So any doubts you have? So is any doubts you have in the topics
Doubts?
whatever we discussed?
ಅದೇ ಒಮ್ಮೆಲೆ attendance doubt ಕೇಳರು.
Okay. So then let's start with the next topic, and we'll see for 5 to 10 more minutes, and let's just wind up. Okay. So the next biasing, the third biasing circuit is voltage divider bias or emitter bias. So guys, be careful. All these three biasing circuits have two terminals. Okay, fixed bias, base bias. Okay, collector to base bias. Collector to base bias or feedback bias. Okay, so coming to this one, voltage divider bias or emitter bias configuration. So all these three biasing circuits are having two terminals. So don't get confused. So they may ask any, they may give any name in the examination. Okay. So next in this voltage divider bias, we are using a voltage divider to construct the circuit. Okay, system program. This is the most stable out of these three circuits. Okay, and this is a commonly used biasing circuit. Starting from your PC, everywhere, whatever the voltage stabilizers, whatever you're using, everywhere we are going to use this voltage divider. It is widely used in the electronic circuits. Okay, so here why it is called as voltage divider bias? It's because the supply voltage VCC is divided by the two input resistor at the input side. Okay, so here you are on screen you are seeing the circuit of the voltage divider circuit. So you may think that the circuit is looking very horribly with all the formulas and all. So no need to write this diagram. So don't. Okay. So then what are those formulas they have given? All those formulas is what you have already learned. Okay. So this they have given it just to recall, and which diagram you have to write in the examination. So next, this voltage divider bias is analyzed by using two methods. Okay. So here we are deriving the value of IC and VCE by using two methods. Which are those two methods? Approximate method and accurate method. Okay. So now let's see the approximate method. Okay. So how to derive operating point by using approximate method. Okay. So in this diagram you have to write. Okay. Approximate diagram and accurate method diagram. What you have to write. Okay. So if you want to write this general diagram, then you can just leave all these formulas. Okay. So now let's continue with this approximate method. So voltage divider bias by using approximate method. What are we doing here? We are calculating the values of IC as well as VCE by approximate method. So once you say that approximate, we are not doing accurately. We are simplifying the design. And I am designing such that, so you can see here in the diagram, okay. How exactly you are applying this approximate method? So I'm constructing the circuit such that whatever the current that is flowing through R1 is called as I1, correct? So now if you observe this diagram carefully, this I1 is equal to IB plus I1, correct? Okay, so this I1 is getting splitted at this junction. Okay, so some current is flowing to the base current as IB, and some portion of the current is flowing towards this R2 as I2. Okay, so are you getting this one? So this I1 is getting splitted at this junction. So what are you doing in this approximate method? I will construct my circuit such that whatever this I1 is there here, that completely flows here, I2. What is the meaning of it? So I'm going to make this IV value as very, 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 very less. Okay, so almost equal to 0. How can you achieve that one? So what I'm going to do, the resistor value, whatever I'm considering here in R2, that value I'm going to take it very, very, very less value. When the resistance value is very less, what happens? Whatever the current here, that entire current will flow here, right? So that this IV value will be very less. And this is why I'm going to construct my circuit. Okay, so because of that construction, what you can tell this approximation, since I1 is equal to I2 plus IB. Okay, since IB value is very, very, very less than I2, so you can write I1 is approximately equal to I2. Okay, so next what we are doing, so to calculate the value of IC and VCE, so first we are applying the KVL to this VCC, R1 and R2. Okay, so we are applying to this.
You must definitely the AC.
Okay,
Those items.
I'm applying to KVL to this VCC. You can see here. Okay, so VCC minus I1 R1. Okay, minus I2 R2 is equal to 0. So this VCC minus I1 R1 minus I2 R2 is equal to 0. Okay. So VCC minus I1 R1 minus I2 R2 is equal to 0. Okay. So next what we are doing, we are solving. See, just now we saw that I1 is approximately equal to I2. So what I'm doing here, derivation. So in place of I1, I'm substituting I2. Okay, so VCC minus I2 R1 minus I2 R2. So next what we are doing, we are taking I2 common here. Once you take I2 and send it to the other side. So once you take I2, you will be left out with R1 plus R2 is equal to VCC. Okay, because I'm interested in I2 or VCC divided by the remaining things, you are pushing it to the denominator of the other side. Is CSI R1 plus 1 star. Okay. So now I got the value of I2. Okay. So this I2. Okay. So this I2 I'm considering it. Okay. So next let's see. We have to move on to the VCE value, right? So VCE, to calculate VCE, this is what the basic things we are doing. We are calculating the VB voltage. So if you consider here across whatever the voltage drop that happens across this R2 resistor, you can call it as VB, correct? Okay, so you can see in this diagram, voltage drop across the resistor R2 is considered as VB. Okay, so VB is given by I2 R2, and this is due to the Ohm's law, correct? So VB is equal to I2 R2. Okay, so VB is equal to I2 just now I have calculated. Okay, so I will substitute this VCC divided by R1 plus R2 in place of I2. Okay, so which will give you VB is equal to VCC divided by R1 plus R2 into R2. Okay, so VB value we have calculated now. So next voltage across the resistor RE is VE, and you know that VE is equal to IE into RE. Okay, so now what we'll do, so these two we needed to calculate the VCE, that's why we have calculated. Okay, so now let's move on to the KVL. Okay, KVL to base emitter loop. So let's consider the base emitter loop. Okay, so here what we are doing, we are applying KVL to the base emitter loop. Check. Okay.
No, okay.
Okay. So So we are starting from here. Base emitter loop consists of this one, VB, VBE, and it ends here. Okay, so you can see here VB minus VBE minus VE is equal to 0. Okay, so VB minus VBE minus this loop. We are talking about this loop. Okay, so is equal to 0. VE is equal to V. V, I'm sending it to the other side. V is equal to VB minus VBE, and we know that VE is nothing but IERA. Okay, so we are substituting IERA. RE is equal to
VB
minus VB minus VBE. Okay, I'm keeping it here. VB minus VBE divided by RE, and this IE is equal to equal to, you can go here. So this in the circuit main diagram of this approximate method. Okay, so this IC is approximately equal to IA. Okay, so now we have calculated the value of IA. This is the value of. Okay, so you know the relationship between these two. So IE is equal to 1 plus beta IC, right? So here, this is approximate method. So we solve for IA, and this IA is approximately equal to IC. Okay, so now we've got the value of IC. The value of VCE, we are applying KVL to the collector. So collector emitter, this one VCC minus ICRC minus VCE minus IER. Okay, so since here we are considering IE is approximately equal to IE is approximately equal to IC. So here you can see we have substituted IC in place of IE. Okay, so next what we are doing, I'm just moving VCE to the other side and just rearranging the terms will give you VCE is equal to VCC minus ICRC minus ICRE. Okay, so if you take IC common from these two, so you'll be left out with VCE is equal to VCC minus IC into RC plus RE. Okay, so this is the VCE value. Okay, so IC we got. How did we get IC? IE we got, and we are telling IE is approximately equal to IC. Okay, so next VCE we got. And how did we get IE? By calculating IB. Okay, so how did we get IB? By calculating I2. How did we get I2? By considering I1 is equal to I2. Okay, so how did we consider I1 is equal to I2? Because we have designed the circuit like that. Okay, so because we are approximately calculating, and this is what the approximation I'm assuming. I'm assuming that IB will be very, very less when compared to I2. This is the approximation I'm making, and based on that approximation, I have started my derivation. Okay, so and I have calculated the I2, and that I2 I have substituted here. VB I have calculated, VE I have substituted here, and I got this IE. And this IE I'm calling it as IC. Next I got VC. Understood? Any doubts? So if you have understood, well and good. So if not also, no need to worry at all. Just practice 2 or 3 times, reproduce the same thing. Fine. Any doubts here in this approximate method?
Accurate method with the
340 ಗಿಂತ
accurate method ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Yes, it's not ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಕೆ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಹುಚ್ಚ.
So A section people are not replying.
Guys, any doubts? Typing.
Okay. So guys, are you people in a position to take up the accurate method, or shall we see this in the next class? So if you are understanding it, I will continue with the accurate method. So if nothing is going into your head, let's stop here. So it's a waste of my time as well as your time. You can just read once again these things and you can come. Okay. Okay, guys, let's do that in the next class. Um, We should stop on that. Okay, fine, let's stop. Okay, so now you tell me any doubts in today's class topic, whatever we have discussed.
Chaitra ma'am, ನೀವು freeze
Yes, ma'am,
ಮಾಡಾಯ್ತಾ?
please. We will share the notes. Okay, so we are just we will
ಕೇಳ್ದೆ
just
ನಾನು
complete
freeze
it
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ
and then
ಈಗ,
we will
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
upload it.
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತ
Okay, so if you want class basis, day wise or whatever the class basis, that also we are ready to split and we will upload. Otherwise, once everything is done, we will finally we will upload one PDF. Okay. Second.
No Saturdays holidays, all Saturday full day.
those holidays were taken back, and all Saturdays we have to.
Stay till 4:30. You have to sit till 4:30 in the class also.
So got it. So tomorrow afternoon, lots of people have
ನಾಳೆ
lab.
class ಇದೆ.
Okay.
Ma'am, tomorrow's first day holiday.
ನಾಳೆ ಇನ್ನೂ classes
Yeah.
ಇಲ್ಲ.
So tomorrow afternoon, you people have ಇವರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅವರಿಗಿಲ್ಲ
ಏನು
ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ
So
ಅರ್ಧ ಬಿ
only
ಅರ್ಧ ಸಿ.
from 91, the second half people are having AE lab. Okay. So the first half you people will have Monday afternoon. Okay. So tomorrow afternoon we'll start with the lab. Okay. So in tomorrow's class, so we will tell you to download the software and how to install it. Okay. So guys, if you people are having, are you having any other doubts? So if not, then let's wind up the session. No doubts. Okay. So thank you all for joining. So see you in the next class.
Ah,